Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply Company. Today we have for you a 2012 Bobcat S185. This is the last of the S185s. This is a A3L serial numbers. This is the last of them. It is a high-hour machine. There's 6,402 hours on it. I know where it come from. The company had superior service. Machine is in good condition. It is not a piece of junk. If it was, it would not be sitting here. The machine has had an extensive bit of service done to it. We went through it here. It is cab heat air conditioning is not working. I'll explain more about that here in a minute. Has a brand new $1,800 quick attach on the front of it. It is power quick attach. All the glasses in the cab. I do not have a front door for it. Tires are in good condition. This is a good running and working skid steer that just has some hours on. I can't help that. But as far as it mechanically, it's 110%, and I guarantee it to be 110%. It's not a piece of junk. So we're going to walk you around this machine. We're going to start right back here at the engine compartment and go completely over this machine. Bought this skid loader back in probably May, and I've held it until now because of winter being cabin heat. And it is air conditioning, but here's what's wrong. And you can point this out. Right here, the air conditioning compressor pump went bad. They took it off. It needs a compressor. I just didn't have it in the budget to do that on this. If somebody wants to put the compressor on it again and have air conditioning again, they can do that. We have done a full service on this machine. Hydraulic filter, fuel filter, engine oil, air filters. We have been completely through this thing. There was a couple pintle shaft seals leaking up on the top of the steering levers we did. We did a side seal on the pump also, just to make sure that it was a leak-free machine. Cylinders are all dry. Machine has the V2607. 66 horsepower, 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This is one heck of a motor. Motor does not have any smoke, blow by, anything like that whatsoever, and I'll guarantee it to be 110%. Very good machine, and we did put a brand new battery in this machine, okay? All the lights work. Back door is very good and straight. Look at the back door on it. We did paint the back door, but it is a very good door. We put all new lights in the back. Boom here is not welded nor busted in any way. Same on the other side, which we'll walk around here and show you. 3 tires are the Titan HD 2000s, and all 3 match, and they're all 55 or 60% or better. One is a D-Stone, and it is also same tread depth, but it is just a different brand tire, and I'm just pointing that out. There is no welds or busts down in here, okay? None of the cylinders are leaking. Boom is not welded or busted in any way. We put a brand new CID 66-inch long bottom bucket on it. Guys will cheat and put a low pro on. You can't see the cutting edge as well. We put the long bottoms on here. Brand new from Bobcat. They give me a receipt to pay $1,800 for it. They did it right before I bought it. Quick attach on it. Power quick attach. Everything works, and that thing is as tight can be. It's also, I'm going to show you here, this company did spend money on their machines. They had put new pins back here just to keep stuff tight. Again, nothing is slopped out or anything like that. The company had very, very good maintenance. I want everybody to see that and understand this is not a piece of junk. It is a 2012 interim Tier 4 Kubota. Cab is very good and straight. A lot of these, the handles are all beat in, smashed up. Again, I don't have a front door. Front door is going to run you about $1,000, but heat works perfect. There's no issue there, and you can hang a door on it just the way it is. Auxiliary hydraulics, 7-pin attachment control device, which we have tested and works. Okay, I'm going to take you inside the cab here. This is a standard control machine. This is what would have been a gold package, but they called this an A71, I believe they were, in the late series. I'm going to fire it up. Go to loader features, vitals. I want you to see there. It's all the vital signs of this engine. Active warnings. No active warnings. It means there's no error codes in it. 6402. That's your RPMs. Battery voltage. We reset the service clock after we serviced it. No error codes. Up here is your cab heat air. Your switch here for your front door. This will be your air conditioning switch and your rheostat. Heater or your steering controls. Pedals are in very good shape. All louvers and heater vents are in. There's one crack in this heater vent. We put both internator cab filters in. Heater fan has just a little wee bit of squirrel cage noise, typical on a used machine, but the heater has excellent heat. So, parking brake switch, power bulb attach up here. I'm gonna turn this camera back over to Matt. I'm gonna fire this thing up, run it around, put it through all its paces for you. Well, we hope you can see there from the video, the machine starts, runs, does everything you ask it to do. Now, the reason I kept putting the boom up and shaking around like that, so you can see this linkage doesn't have play in it. I have a couple 3,000 hour S185s that are running around here at my place right now that are nowhere near as tight as this machine is, and it's got 6,400 hours. So you want to come here, run this thing, bring your mechanic, whatever you want to do, I don't care. I've just got to the point in my life and my business, everybody wants to call and say, you know, what's the machine really like? You tell me how to accurately describe this equipment any better than we do. We're one of the only people out here to do a walk-around inspection, actually run it for you, and it just isn't like a quick 30-second blurb of running a piece of equipment. We have serviced it. I know what this thing is, and it's not a piece of junk. Yes, it's a used skid steer. Yes, it's got scratches. Yes, it's got scrapes, but it's a good running, working machine. And it's right in time here for winter. I'm not hiding anything. We've showed you there's no error codes. We went through it. I don't know how more accurate I can be. So call me what you want. Call it what it is. I don't care. I guess I got big shoulders, but it is what it is. If you want to come here, again, you're welcome. We're located right here at 18563 Bun Mountain Road, Saxton, Pennsylvania, 16678 is our zip code. Keep in mind, our local Bobcat dealer is about 14 miles away. You want to call them, you can Google search it. I won't even bother giving you their phone number. You want to have them come over, have them come over. They'll do an independent inspection report for you and give you the analysis of that. I have no problem there whatsoever. So if you think I'm out to get you, that's the furthest thing from it. So again, I'm not hard to get along with. Just let us know. We'll be glad to help you. Again, this machine is located here at 18563 Bun Mountain Road, Saxton, Pennsylvania, 16678. I'll guarantee this machine to be 110%, just the way we've showed it here whenever you receive it. I'm not out to pull any punches or hurt anybody. So again, Nick Miller, 814-658-3066. Check out our website. There'll be over probably 45 photos of this machine. That's www.marksupplyco.com. See us on Tractor House, Machinery Trader, and on eBay at Mark Supply 88. Again, I'm Nick Miller, 814-658-3066. Thank you very much for viewing Mark Supply Company. Have a good day.